everyone, my name is Divan Sharma and today I will tell you how I learn in virtual mode. So once upon a time I used to go to my institute where I used to spend 2 to 3 hours in a traveling per day. But because of Corona, our institute adopted virtual mode of learning where we don't have to go to our institute and we can learn at our home easily. So initially I didn't like this virtual mode of learning because it was very new and different for me, but after some time I adopt some habits and change some things which help me to learn in virtual mode very easily. So first thing is I change my internet connectivity and increase my internet speed, which is very important to learn in virtual mode. The second thing is I make a habit to do daily exercise and yoga, which helps me to make my body and mind fit and active. The third thing is I make a habit to create to-do list for my whole day and for my whole week, which helps me to plan my whole day and to manage my whole day very easily. Also, my institute contributed in this system as they introduced a calendar system where our all classes and assignments are managed accordingly in the calendar system, and we also follow this calendar system which helps us to plan our whole week. Other thing I also do is I make a study space where I will not get any distractions and I will only focus on my work and my online study. The other thing is I also prefer to keep water bottle during the class because it helps me to hydrate my body. I also keep copy and pen during the class to make a note of my studying. So now I will tell you the two skills which I learned in virtual mode and how my institute contributed in these skills. The first thing is online communication skills, which is very important for me because I used to prefer in to talk in front of public, but I had a fear to talk in front of camera, but now I can talk in front of camera very easily, which helped me to develop my online communication skill. The other skill is my online presentation skill. Firstly I also only focused on making presentation, but now I also focused on how to make my presentation creative and innovative, which help to other person understand it very easily. So that's how I learn in virtual mode. Thank you.